This video is going to be a bit different to the others. We have now completed the series about my personal dashboard. All the videos are now up on my YouTube channel. I made a playlist containing each one, which I will link in the top corner. Let me say thanks again for all the incredible support. I thought this would be a good moment to look back and show you my personal dashboard journey, containing every individual dashboard that I used over the years. Some of these dashboards are very broken because they are very old by now. Let's begin. I started using Home Assistant about 8 years ago. Back in that time, Home Assistant was very different and it was much harder to make custom dashboards. So my first dashboard I used was actually not in Home Assistant, but the Apple Home app. Home Assistant was mostly used for automations, but on my phone I used the Apple Home app to interact with the devices. As you can see, everything is unavailable now, as I have long moved on from Apple Home. The first custom dashboard I built in Home Assistant was a mobile dashboard. Here you can see it. It only uses built-in cards, mostly the standard button card. I built this following a tutorial on YouTube from one of the Home Assistant developers. Today it looks very outdated. This is what one of the rooms looked like. Of course, where there is a mobile dashboard, I needed to make one for tablets, so I used the same principles to make a tablet version, which you can see here. This dashboard got actually quite complex, and as I was using a Raspberry Pi 3B at the time, the dashboard was very unresponsive. As you can see, over the years, some of my entities have changed. The next dashboard I built was one with mushroom cards. I used the same structure, but I used more modern cards. This is also where I started to use card mod and stack and card to create a first idea of some custom designs. For the first time, I also used the same header on each page. Of course, I also created a tablet version of this dashboard. Looking back, I would say this dashboard is quite convoluted, as I try to basically be able to do everything from the main page. And as the looks of it, I never quite finished the work on this tablet version. The next dashboard I built was heavily inspired by Rounded by Leon. I saw it on the Everything Smart Home channel and was mesmerized how good it looked. This is not the original version of that dashboard, as this is the dashboard that lasted the longest and went through the most changes. Of course, I created a tablet version as well. This time I actually finished it, and this version is by far the dashboard I used most and the first time I was really proud of a dashboard I created. During this time I also set up Harakasa by Damien Eickhoff, because I really liked the look of it. I learned a lot through working on it, because everything had to be done in YAML code. This is the time I started combining a lot more custom cards and working on making my own cards. By working with these dashboards I learned a lot about button cards and how to use them. Then Bubble Card was released and I think it changed the game for a lot of us. Thanks again to Close for creating such an awesome card. The last missing piece was Nachbarcard by Jose Luis. For the first time it was easily possible for me to create a responsive dashboard instead of a dashboard for mobile and one for tablet. I took on the challenge and designed what is my dashboard today. A lot had changed also in Home Assistant, so I also took this moment to bring everything over to Section and use some of the new features in Home Assistant. As you can see, some of the cards and configurations have survived multiple dashboards. Some got added or developed further, and some new things were added like Bubble Card. I hope you liked the journey through my personal dashboards over the years and you got some inspiration for your own dashboard. If you are interested in the full code for the custom cards, you can find the link in the description. Now that we have completed the personal dashboard series, I'm excited to see what we can do next. I'm already thinking of designing a new dashboard completely from scratch and would love to bring you on the journey with me. Let me know in the comments what you want to see on this channel in the future. I, of course, want to make more videos for you, and I think we will do more live streams in the future as well. Until then, thanks for watching.